Hi, I'm Neil Walters from Canon Collective. I'm here today to talk a little bit more about video. We're going to explore what resolution and 4K and a couple of different technical settings that you might not know about already. So let's jump straight into it. What we're going to find here is if we go into our menu setting, is we go to the yellow third menu. You'll find there, you'll have something called Video System. This will give you the option to shoot in PAL or NTSC. Now, if you're in Australia, you need to be shooting in PAL. This PAL setting will give you all of the 4K options that your camera is capable of. After we're set for PAL, we'll go back to the fourth red menu. Now, in this fourth red menu, we have our movie recording quality section. After going into there, we have the MOV/MP4 section. Now we'll stay again with the MOV section. Now once we go into our movie recording size option here, you'll find that we have 4K, which is a motion JPEG, 25 frames per second option. What this 25 frames per second means is if we just have a stock standard normal video that we'd like to record, we can't do any slow motion out of this, it's just 25 frames per second. Going down, we have the FHD, which stands for Full HD, 50 frames per second. Now what 50 frames per second will give you is the option to slow down your footage by half in your editing process. Going down from those one more, we have a Full HD, 50 frames, IPB section. Now what this IPB option is good for, if you're just looking to shoot some video and export out straight away without doing any editing. Our other two options are the same thing, but they're in 25 frames per second instead of 50. The best time to use 4K is if you're going to be editing videos. Why 4K is so important is because it's around about 4 times the size of your normal 1080 video. Now what 1080 means is 1080 pixels wide in your photo. So you can imagine that 4K is about 4 times the size of that. So you're able to crop in at least 4 times and still export in a full HD file. One thing to really remember about 4K, and it's something a lot of videographers don't quite understand, you don't always need to shoot in 4K. If you're not editing your video at all later on, or if you're not looking to crop in and give yourself a tighter image, then a 1080p Full HD version is a fine way to go about things. 4K will chew up a lot of data with your card, and there'll be quite big files. And it's as simple as that. So, next time you go through your movie record settings, have a look at 4K, see if that's what you need to do. If not, you've got your Full HD settings there. Thanks for joining me today to talk about a few extra little features in shooting in video mode.